Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage Full Synthetic Oil. Pennzoil Platinum is a synthetic 5 watts minus 30 motor oil designed for high mileage automobiles. Those same characteristics, though, make it suitable for older lawnmower engines that are showing symptoms of wear. When an engine becomes noisy, the natural reaction is to use heavier oil to keep it quiet, but this solution just serves to disguise the issue. Pennzoil Platinum is a trademark natural gas-based mixture that reduces friction and, unlike certain petroleum-based alternatives, does not burn off in worn engines. It also has detergents in it to help decrease carbon deposits that generate more friction. Pennzoil Platinum comes in a larger 5-quart bottle because it's designed for automobile engines. While the initial cost is higher than many lawnmower lubricants, it is insignificant when compared to the longer life it can bring. Number 2 in this best oil for lawnmower list is Husqvarna HP Synth 2-cycle oil. Husqvarna, one of Europe's top manufacturers of powered garden equipment, produces HP Synth 2-cycle oil. It's made to keep 2-stroke engines cool and safe, as they normally operate at much higher revs and get much hotter than their 4-stroke counterparts. This oil is a semi-synthetic mix that provides many of the performance benefits of full synthetics while being combined with conventional oil for cost savings. It contains detergents to keep the engine clean and a gasoline stabilizer to cut down on unburned gases, smoke, and hazardous pollutants. A 6-pack of 2.6-ounce bottles of HP Synth is available. It's designed to be mixed 50:1 and each little bottle holds 1 gallon of gasoline. Our third choice is Briggs Stratton 2-cycle Easy Mix Motor Oil. As the world's largest manufacturer of engines for outdoor equipment, Briggs Stratton has unique experience making lawn mower and lawn tractor motor oil. The company's traditional 2-stroke oil is ashless low-smoke composition. It contains a fuel stabilizer that ensures the mixture burns virtually completely. As a result, unburned oil does not foul the spark plug, and the engine runs more evenly and cleanly. Briggs Stratton 2-stroke oil comes in a 16-ounce bottle that needs to be diluted 50:1 with gasoline. A useful measuring portion is incorporated into the top to make things easy. Fourth pick in this best oil for lawnmower list is Briggs Stratton Say Synthetic Motor Oil. The 4-stroke Say 5 watts minus 30 oil from Briggs Stratton is a totally synthetic multigrade that many consider to be the best weight for all outdoor power equipment. This oil is intended for use in the brand's own mowers, although it can be used in any air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. It is an ideal choice for cooler areas because of the 5 watts low viscosity element, which allows it to flow smoothly and retain lubrication. In all conditions, the 30-pound component ensures a solid all-around performance. In fact, the oil is effective in temperatures ranging from -20°F to 100°F. It also has detergents in it to help remove deposits that cause greater friction and overheating. Synthetic oil gives your engine better viscosity temperature response, better low temperature fluidity, better thermal stability, better oxidation stability, lower volatility, better deposit control, and better wear control. This in return reduces risk of equipment failure, promotes trouble-free operation, reduces maintenance costs, extends service life, and long-term engine durability. Our fifth and last choice is Royal Purple Say 30 Synthetic Oil. The Say 34-stroke oil from Royal Purple is a high-performance synthetic single-grade designed to sustain effective lubrication and cooling in motors under constant heavy load, as seen in commercial lawn mowers. It's also suitable for diesel engines. With ethanol-containing fuels, the complex formula provides reduced wear, corrosion prevention, and increased efficiency. It is supposed to improve low-speed firing, reduce pollutants, and reduce fuel consumption. Royal Purple 4-stroke oil is available in a variety of volumes ranging from 1 quart to 5 gallons, allowing commercial mower owners to choose the most cost-effective option for their machine. These products on exceptionally high order fulfillment rates, breadth of available products, and these are also complete line of heavy-duty shop products that will bring you years of reliable performance. For details, let's watch more.